Good morning everyone and welcome to another exciting edition of MERI Daily Space Bulletin, your gateway to the latest discoveries and thrilling updates from space. A galactic wind caught in act. Exomoons could be habitable for billions of years. Hunting moon with water. Solar orbiter reveals solar wind waves. NASA still on track to launch Artemis II. Today is Monday, a day ruled by the moon, Earth's closest celestial companion. In space science, the moon plays a crucial role in controlling our planet's tides and stabilizing its rotation. Ancient civilization observed its beauty and mystery, naming this day after it, Moon's Day, from the Roman goddess Luna to the Greek Selene, and in India, Chandra. The moon has always symbolized calmness, emotions, and intuition. Space thought of the day. Look up at the stars and not down at your feet. From the silence of space to the stories shaping our universe, let's begin today's cosmic update. A galactic wind caught in act. The universe is full of galaxies, quietly going about their business, steadily converting gas into stars at a gentle, sustainable rate. And then there are the others, the ones that throw caution to the wind and burn through their reserves in a furious, all-consuming burst of creation. Understanding what happens inside those galaxies and what they do to everything around them has been one of astronomy's great unsolved challenges. Now, at last, we are getting some answers. Exomoons could be habitable for billions of years. Free-floating planets, FFP, also known as rogue planets, were first discovered in 2000 by astronomers searching the Orion Nebula. Since then, hundreds of FFP candidates have been detected, and scientists predict that there may be trillions of them throughout the Milky Way. This would mean that they outnumber stars by 20 to 1 and potentially habitable planets by a factor of 25 or more. Research also shown that many of these planets are likely to bring some of their moons along with them. Hunting moon with water. What is the difference between a temporary visit and a permanent home? If humanity is serious about building a last presence on the moon, finding usable ice near the lunar south pole isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a practical necessity. Now, NASA is sending a clever instrument that hunts for water without digging a single hole, using the behavior of subatomic particles to sniff out hidden ice deposits up to 3 feet underground. Solar orbiter reveals solar wind waves. The sun doesn't just pump out light and heat, it blasts a continuous stream of charged particles across the solar system. And that solar wind is far more complex than it looks. Hidden within it are waves that act as invisible middlemen, constantly shuffling energy between particles as the wind expands outward. Now, thanks to the European Space Agency's Solar Orbiter spacecraft, we have our clearest picture yet of how those waves behave close to the Sun itself. NASA still on track to launch Artemis II. That Artemis II launch window opens on Wednesday at 6:24 p.m. and extends for 2 hours. If the launch is delayed or scrubbed for any reason, there are more opportunities for liftoff through April 6. But still, NASA officials are voicing a high degree of confidence in the mission's chances of launching on the agency's massive Space Launch System (SLS) rocket on time. Notably, NASA completed a flight readiness review for the mission ahead of SLS rollout to the pad on March 20 and has since flagged no issues on risk acceptance that need closing before clearing Artemis II to launch. And with that, Yaana Taank signing off for the day. Stay updated for the latest updates.